Hi guys, I'm Crafty Nanny. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making an absolutely adorable tutu for an infant, just like these two, only we're going to be making it in purple. And in the video that I do after this one, we're going to go ahead and learn how to make the matching bow to those tutus. For this project, you're going to need one roll of tulle, 6 by 25 yards. I got this at Walmart for $2. A measuring tape, some ribbon that is 1 inch wide or a little bit wider. This is 1.5. You're going to need 2 pieces of cardboard of equal size and a pair of scissors. Now your cardboard needs to be wider than your tulle and double the length of whatever you want your skirt to be. So if you want a skirt to be 4 inches, which is what it usually is for an infant skirt, then your cardboard needs to be 8 inches, plus you want to add on a 1/2 inch to 1 inch for tying your tulle. So my cardboard is 8 by 8 3/4 long because I want my tulle length to be 4 inches. Then I cut my ribbon right here to 40 inches so that I can do a big beautiful bow like this one right here. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. So this first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your ribbon that you cut to whatever length you want in half, okay? And when you do that, go ahead and crease it. And the reason that I'm asking you to crease it is because you're going to be measuring from that. Now an infant, for the waist, the average is 11 to 14 inches, and the nice thing about making it with the ribbon is because if the baby has a larger waist, you can just loosen the ribbon, and if it has a smaller waist, you can tighten it. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it the max, which is 14 inches. So we're going to go from the center and we're going to measure 7 inches out, because 7 on one side, 7 on the other is 14. So and then you can crease it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do that. And then we're going to do 7 over here, and we're going to crease it. Now if your ribbon does not crease, you can use a little pen or a chalk. Okay, now what I'm going to do is on those creases, I'm going to go ahead and tie a knot. Now these knots will be coming out when we're finished, okay? So don't tie them too tight. This section right here between the 2 knots is where we're going to be wrapping and tying our tulle. So now we're going to go ahead and take our tulle and wrap it around that cardboard. Now remember that I said that you needed 2 pieces of equal length, and I taped mine together because it's going to be easier. You don't have to. But basically you're going to start on the side that you taped, just like this, okay? And you're going to wrap it all the way around, come back up the other side. You're going to continue to wrap it until all of your tulle is completely gone. So this is what it should probably look like after you have done winding it all. It's pretty thick. So remember how I was saying how you needed 2 pieces of cardboard, and this is the main reason why, because you're going to cut in between the 2 pieces of cardboard, and this is where you're going to get those nice equal sized squares. It's all cut, and now we have 1 stack and then 2 stacks of equal size rectangles. So the next thing that we're going to want to do is take 1 off the top. Now this is how I do mine, so this is totally up to you. You can make it single or you can make it double. I like how fluffy they come out, so I actually double mine. So put 1 on top of the other, kind of pinch it in the center like that, fold it in half like so. Okay, so here it is long, and you just fold it in half like this. Stick your finger through it, okay? Then you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to go underneath your ribbon. Keep your finger in there so that you can push the other side through. So keep your finger in your ribbon, go underneath the ribbon, push the bottom through the hole, and then just pull it up like that, just like that. Grab them in the middle, fold it in half like this, okay? go up under the ribbon again, like so, just like this, and then push your bottom pieces through the hole, and then just pull. Okay, now when you do that, just push them towards your knot. That's all you have to do. Now also, the tighter that you make these, the more tulle you'll be able to fit on that ribbon. So just slide it through right there to the other side. So go ahead and do the remaining rectangles and do them all, but leave 6. We'll do the bow with the remaining 6 pieces. So if you want to follow me with that video as well, go ahead and save 6 pieces. Otherwise, you can add those 6 to your tutu and you'll be done with it. So I'm going to go ahead and do my entire stack except for 6, and I will get right back to you guys. Okay, everybody, this is what it should look like after you have put all of your tulle all the way around. The next thing you're going to do is take your knots out that we had made previously. Okay, so it just leaves ribbon like this. And basically you're just going to tie a ribbon, and you can tie any kind of ribbon that you want. It doesn't matter. Everybody's got their own way of doing it. And if you have any questions or problems, or you need some help, please comment below or send me a message, and I'll be happy to get back with you. All right, here we are. It's all finished. Here's the bow that I decided to make, and I want to thank you all for your support. Don't forget that the next video I'm doing is showing you how to create the bow that is going to end up matching this specific tutu, and I actually do these for photo shoots. So I appreciate you joining me. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, hit the bell if you like, and I will meet up with you in the next video. Thanks, guys.